All right, so here is another book that I've created. So I want to design the cover of this book. So I'll be showing you how you can design cover. So double click. Let's copy the title of the book. Always copy the title so that you don't make mistake, and the subtitle. Okay, copy it from your book. Copy it. Then I'll show you another way you can design your book cover. Okay, so let's go to our Canva. There's my Canva app. Let's go to Canva. Go to Canva and click on this plus. Click on custom size. This is free version. This unit, put it in inches. Always put it in inches. Now it's 6 by 9. Remember I told you can use 8.5 by 11 or 6 by 9. Now this is 6 by 9, so you need to check to know the size. Okay, so click on it, create. I want to show you how you can use already existing templates on Canva to design your cover. That's what you want to do here. Now it will take us to this place. Just go ahead and type the book. Okay, let's say cookbook. Cookbook. Cookbook template or cover. Let's say cover. Cookbook cover. Click on search. Let's see the ones they have. Now pay attention. And this is, I say cookbook cover. Look at what they are giving me. Okay, because I not put the K. Cookbook. Search. Alright, now you can see there are beautiful covers here. These are beautiful covers. So I want to look for the one I can use for this my book. Okay, now anyone you see this crown, avoid it, run away from it. Anyone you see that crown, avoid it, because you are using the free version. Except you are using Canva Pro, then you can go ahead and use that crown. But for now, I'm looking for a fine cookbook cover. Most of the fine designs are on Pro, but don't worry. Let's go ahead, and another way you can check is click this. Oh, I went ahead and click something else. Let's go back. Go back. Click on this. Back. Click on design, and let's go. You can see there are so many designs here. So let's look for one fine one. I was talking about, let's go back. Give me this is where I was. Now I can click on this three dots for the search. There's place you can see free. Okay, it's not here. Alright, there's supposed to see where you see only free designs. Okay, so don't worry, no need to panic. Let's search from up. I think I saw some designs at the top. Let's look from here. I think this book is fine. Let me use this cover. This cover is fine. So okay, that automatically resized itself. So cancel this, cancel. Oh, the text is together, so let's cancel this as well. This bestseller. Okay, so click on apps. Okay, click on apps, go and search for magic media. Click on search. Look at this first one, that is like a picture. Click on it. Describe. This is where you're going to describe, so go ahead and click on that icon, paste your subtitle and generate. Let's see what it will give us. I want to create our own design. Okay, let's create our own design. I'll need a plate with a background. So let's look for something